Work. 64 counts, 2 walls, intermediate. Weight on the right. Section 1. Side left, back rock, recover, shuffle forward. Step, pivot, half. Half, shuffle back. Section 2. Continue half turn forward, facing 6. Left shuffle forward. Point switches, point right, together point left. Swivel heels to the right. Swivel make quarter turn, facing 9 o'clock. Weight on the left. Count section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Step forward, hitch. Point back, quarter recover. Make a quarter turn, repeat. Step, hitch, point back, quarter recover. Section 4. Cross hold. Make a quarter turn, forward hold, facing 9 o'clock. Right foot. Rock, recover, sweep. Behind side touch. Count section 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2, 3 hold 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 5. Side right. Full diamond following. Crawl side back, behind side forward. Crawl side back, behind side quarter forward, facing 9 o'clock. Section 6. Forward on left. Extended shuffle. Step, lock, step with flick. Forward, pivot half turn, facing 3. Make a quarter turn, ball cross, facing 6. Count section 5 and 6. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Section 7. Slow hip bump left, slow hip bump right. 4 hip bump left, right, left, right. Section 8. Touch, ball, step. Make a quarter, kick to 9, back to 6, ball point. Quarter forward, step, pivot half, and a quarter turn touch facing 6. That's the end of the main dance. Count section 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take 1. After wall 1, facing 6 o'clock. Take 1 total 32 counts. Section 1. Make a quarter turn facing 9 o'clock. Step left. Arms wave to left. Arms wave to right. 2 chest pop. Pop and pop. Make a quarter turn facing 12 o'clock. Step left. Arms to the left. Arm to the right. 2 chest pop. Pop and pop. Section 2. Make a quarter turn facing 3 o'clock. Step left. Arms up. Arms down. Roll hip anti-clockwise over 2 count. Make a quarter turn to 6 o'clock. Step left, arms up. Arms down. Roll hip anti-clockwise over 2 counts. Section 3. Side left with slide over 2 count. Side right, slide over 2 count. Side left, slide over 2 count again. Side right, slide, and step on left. Section 4. Look up, hold. Look down, hold. Look up, hold. Look down, hold. That's the end of tag 1. Count tag 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finish with weight on the right and start the dance again, side. Tag 2 after wall 5, 32 counts, which is rock, recover, sweep, behind, side, touch. Take 2, 32 counts. Section 1, make a quarter turn side right facing 12 o'clock. Drum your arms as fast as possible using 8 counts. Section 2, diagonal back, step, together, step. Diagonal back, step, together, step. Jazz box half turn, cross, quarter back, quarter forward, forward. Repeat, side right, drum for 8 counts. Diagonal step, together, step, diagonal step, together, step. Jazz box, half turn with a touch. Cross, quarter back, quarter forward, touch, and start the dance again. Count, take 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start again. 1. Whole dance count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 whole 2, 3 whole 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back walk. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 whole 2, 3 whole 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 whole 2, 3 whole 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you will do 2 full wall, wall 3 and wall 4. Wall 5, 32 counts and then tag 2. Wall 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 whole 2, 3 whole 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Take 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you will do another full wall and finish the dance at 6.